Guys, welcome to my channel Gotham Tech Tutorials. In this video we will learn how to resolve the problem of getting notification from your Windows that your Windows license will expire soon. So let's start here. We are having three steps. You have to follow me one by one, right? The step number one is right click on your taskbar and open the task manager. You need to find here uh, Windows Explorer, right? You have to search here where is the Windows Explorer and you have to end the task. So let me see you once. Let me get where is it. So it's taking time. Maybe it's down there. Okay, yeah, it's here, Windows Explorer. Right click here and we have to do end task, and after that go to the file here and create run a new task. Click on it and you have to write here explorer .exe. It's very important, and click on the checkbox and click OK. After this you have to go to the search bar of your Windows and here you have to search CMD. Okay, it may take some time, so you have to wait and search CMD. Now it came here and you can see you have to right click on it and you have to open it as administrator. So you have to click run as administrator. So it will ask the permission yes or no, like this. So you have to click yes and now it will get open. So here you have to write one single line code that is very simple. You can remember it, SLMGR and space dash REARM, enter. So after this process, for step number one is done, you may get resolved your problem of this getting notification. So if you resolve that problem, you need not to go for the step number two, obviously. For after every step you have to restart your PC to see the effect. So now it's done, the step number one is done. So restart your PC if it's okay. If you are not getting that notification from Windows, then it's fine. Otherwise go for the step number two. So here you have to search services for the step number two. It's not compulsory. If you have resolved your problem with step number one, you do not need to follow this procedure further. So it will get open and here you have to find here that window license manager. You may get here on, see, yeah, Windows license manager service. You have to right click here and open as properties. So have to you will get a drop down here on the startup type. You have to make it disabled and now you have to click on apply and after that OK. So this is the step number two, and again you have to restart your PC. If your problem have resolved, then don't go for the third step. Otherwise, you have to go for the third step too. So restart your PC and check it. So we will go for the third step. Go to the search bar of your window and here open run. So here you have to click not Explorer, gp edit dot m SC. You can remember it, and you have to click on OK to open this one, and the interface will get open. This one you can see as in my desktop, and you have to go here in the folder administrative templates, and then followed by Windows component, and in the down bottom you will find Windows Update. So you have to double click on it, and you have to find here in right side that no auto restart. You have to double click on it, and then and this will come this interface, and now you have to click on enable. So apply it and click on OK. So I'm sure this will fix your problem, and if you are not able to fix or getting any other problem, then let me know in my comment section. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new, and please like and share my videos. Thank you.